look, this is the things that I unboxing. Look, so nice. I
March
love
29 in
it.
2026.
This one I
Araw ng
unboxed
linggo
today.
kapamilya ka serbisyo.
So this is it.
O bagong lahat ha. Kumusta ka ha?
Look, yeah, this is unboxing in the shop. And look, it's nice. And this one is awesome. I like it. It's my blazer suit. Yes. Look. Charan. Yeah, and this one also is good. Yes, I have lots. This one a lot. Yeah, I order one. Yeah, I'm unboxing and I love it. This one, I like it. Mostly is blazer 2 pieces and then this one. Look, this one is good also. I just wear the same thing, the same size, and then different color. I wear the red color. Look, the red color, but the same. And then I have also here. This is, yeah, I ordered this one also for our service and the camp. Yeah, I will just wear a blazer. Yes, so nice. I like it. Yeah. Nice. And then some more here. Yes. The only thing I don't like is, and this one I like it also. I wear the cycling the same dress, and look, it's not. See, nice. Seems like. See, it's very thin. No need to use underwear. And just cycling only. And this one also is good. I'm gonna try it if I'm wearing a short. So this one is good for the short. This one is good for the dress, long dress. So no need to wear underwear. And this one, I think this is only that. I thought it's a small blouse. Yes, but it seems like, yeah, for denim or for pants. Actually, I'm not fan of very loose, and the texture is I don't like because it's hot. Actually, it's a small size but so big. Look, I usually use yeah, good for the sleep at night. Yes, and then this one, something like that. It's very big size. This one also. I have like this in my school before, red color. Seems like for shorts or nice. Like this. And that's all for today. That is all I unboxing. Most of all, underwear and panty. Underwear and bra. So the one that I like it, this two is expensive. That's why it all in all, this one almost 2,000 pesos. This one, yes, this one is 2,000 pesos. The bra is, I thought it's a push-up bra, but it's not a push-up bra. It's very soft one, not push up, no push up. And then the underwear also is good, but only this one I don't like. I want it's thinner, so I like better this one because it's thin. I like this one, this kind. I like it, and this one I like it, but the texture is hot. Yeah, this style is good, but texture is not good. Yes, and then this one I like silk. I love so much my pink color. It's been a long time, and this one is very nice. You know, I'm gonna try to wear it. Let's see. It's gonna be fit, and very thin, but look, Charan. Yeah, see. Oh. Seems like you're not wearing, but I'm wearing. I have already my butt. Before I don't have. Because that is the power of exercise. Like that. See? That's all for today. Thank you so much. Ay! Ming Ming.